In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your personal referral link and track new signups. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the platform where your referral program is available. Once you're logged in, find your personal referral link and copy it. This link is unique to your account, so it's the one that allows the system to recognize when someone joins through your recommendation. When you copy it, make sure you grab the full link exactly as it appears so it works properly when shared. After that, the next step is to share your referral link on friend exchange web pages or relevant forums. The goal here is to place your link somewhere people can actually see it and use it. As you do this, try to post in spaces that are active and related to the type of audience that would be interested. It also helps to present your link clearly so others understand what it is for. For example, instead of dropping the link with no context, you can include a short description that explains that it's a referral invite. Keeping your post simple and readable can make it more effective. When sharing on forums or exchange pages, take a moment to follow the rules of each site. Some pages may have specific posting guidelines, and respecting those can help your post stay visible longer. It's also a good idea to avoid spamming the same message repeatedly. A cleaner, more thoughtful post usually performs better and looks more trustworthy to potential signups. Once your link is out there, you can begin tracking new player signups through that referral link. Head back to the referral section of the platform and monitor your progress. As people register using your link, the system should count those new signups and update your progress bar. This bar helps you see how close you are to your target, so checking it regularly can keep you informed and motivated. If you notice the bar isn't moving, give it a little time, since some platforms may not update instantly. You can also review where you posted your link and focus on the places that seem most active. Over time, tracking your results helps you understand which sharing methods are working best. That's the full process. Copy your personal referral link in Chrome, share it on friend exchange pages or forums, and track the new player signups that come through it to fill the bar. Follow these steps carefully, stay consistent, and you'll make the most of your referral efforts.